Institutes of the Christian Religion by John Calvin, Book 1, Chapter 13. In Scripture, from the creation onward, we are taught one essence of God, which contains three persons. Terms used in the doctrine of the Trinity by the Orthodox Fathers, Sections 1 to 6. Section 1. God's nature is immeasurable and spiritual. The scriptural teaching concerning God's infinite and spiritual essence ought to be enough, not only to banish popular delusions, but also to refute the subtleties of secular philosophy. One of the ancients seems aptly to have remarked, "Whatever we see, and whatever we do not see, is God." According to this, he fancied that divinity was poured out into the various parts of the world. But even if God, to keep us sober, speaking sparingly of his essence, yet by those two titles that I've used, he both banishes stupid imaginings and restrains the boldness of the human mind. Surely his infinity ought to make us afraid to try to measure him by our own senses. Indeed, his spiritual nature forbids our imagining anything earthly or carnal of him. For the same reason, he quite often assigns to himself a dwelling place in heaven. And yet, as he is incomprehensible, he also fills the earth itself. But because he sees that our slow mind sinks down upon the earth, and rightly, in order to shake off our sluggishness and inertia, he raises us above the world. And hence falls to the ground the error of the Manichees, who by postulating two principles made the devil almost equal to God. Undoubtedly, this was to rack God's unity and restrict his infinity. Indeed, that they dared abuse certain testimonies of Scripture was due to base ignorance, just as the error itself sprang from execrable madness. The anthropomorphites, also, who imagined a corporeal God from the fact that Scripture often ascribes to him a mouth, ears, eyes, hands, and feet, are easily refuted. For who even of slight intelligence does not understand that as nurses commonly do with infants, God is wont in a measure to lisp in speaking to us? Thus such forms of speaking do not so much express clearly what God is like, as accommodate the knowledge of him to our slight capacity. To do this, he must descend far beneath his loftiness.